Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, Shashank. Tell me about yourself.
Sir, I have completed my graduation from Indore and also done 6 month internship in a construction company.
That's good, Shashank. So then tell me about different types of cement are there that most used in construction.
Sir, there are various types of cement, but three types of cement are most used in construction. First is the OPC cement, means ordinary Portland cement. Second is the PPC cement, means Portland Pozzolana cement, and third is the white cement.
What is difference between consolidation, compaction, and compression?
Sir, compaction remove the air voids, where consolidation remove the water, and compression is to reduce the volume of object.
Shashank, how do you check levels on construction sites?
Sir, I will check level on construction site by using spirit level, dumpy level, and leveling pipe like instruments.
Okay. Shashank, who was the first Home Minister of India and what was his contribution? Sir, Sardar Patel is the first Home Minister of India and the main contribution of his like integration of priceless status in India. Shashank, which of them created problem for Mr. Patel and how did he handle them?
Sir, Junagadh and Hyderabad and Jammu Kashmir created problem for Sardar Patel. He used to treat using the force in Junagadh and actually sent the army in Hyderabad.
Shashank, why was the Kashmir not willing to join India?
Sir, Maharaja Hari Singh wanted to have an independent country as Kashmir.
Under what circumstances did he agree to join India?
Sir, he agreed to join India when Pakistanis attacked the Kashmir.
Okay, so Shashank, what is Silent Valley and where it is located and what is it famous for?
Sir, Silent Valley is the national park located in Kerala and it is famous for its biodiversity.
Shashank, who is the leader of American Civil Rights Movement?
Sir, Martin Luther King is the leader of American Civil Rights Movement.
Shashank, what are the instruments used for concrete vibration?
Sir, for concrete vibration, needle vibrator, surface vibrator, table vibrator, instruments are used.
Shashank, where is the Koina Dam located in India?
Sir, Koina Dam is located in Maharashtra on Koina River.
Shashank, what is the working principle behind the dam and power generation?
Sir, dam stored the water and water is flow through the channel and channel the water flows through the channel, then that rotates the turbine and with turbine generate the electricity.
Can you name an engineer who got the Bharat Ratna in India?
Sir, M. Vishweswarai might have got the Bharat Ratna, and that's why we celebrate the Engineer Day in his honor.
Okay, Shashank, we satisfied with your answer. Now you can go and wait for your selection.